Here is how to scrape Airbnb host details with no coding knowledge. For this, we'll need the Airbnb scraper from nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next, press host details. As you can see, we extracted the details of this host. You can do this for multiple different hosts. Now, head to the settings. Then press on Stored Data. In here you'll find all data you scraped. You can specify some data to delete or move to export. Now to customize this, press on Customize. Then press on Host Details. In here you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. And also other criteria to only scrape the products you are looking for. Once you're done, press Save. You can also find more features in the add-ons section. Now to export this, press Add to Export List. Then press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I'll export as HTML. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted.